I'm Bob from I Like to Make Stuff. You may know me from my YouTube channel where I make all sorts of stuff. This is Sailor Versus, a series where other creators and I test our skills to see if we have what it takes to be in the Navy. So SW2, what are the Seabees?
Hey Bob, so the Seabees are the construction workers of the military.
That's awesome. So can you give me kind of a rundown of what you do for the Navy? What does your day look like on a regular basis?
We compose of 7 rates. As you said, I'm a steelworker 2nd class. So if carpentry work is more of your thing, then you could be a builder. If you like to drive trucks, we have equipment operators. And you want to be an electrician, we have the CEs, utilities men, the plumbers of the Seabees, construction mechanics, and then you have your engineering aides, which they'll go out and they'll survey the land.
That's pretty awesome, because it sounds like there's an entering point for a whole bunch of different interests, and all of those interests have an exit point as well, like an outside job that you could definitely take those skills out of the military when you're ready.
Yes, that's a job that could carry over into the civilian side.
I've been challenged by Steelworkers 2nd Class Priester to build a shelter that is lightweight and portable, fits one person, can be easily set up by one person, is rain resistant, and is scalable for a crew of sailors.
Pretty excited to see if you could do it.
Right on. Well, I'm gonna jump in, get to work, and we'll check in just a little bit and I'll show you what I got. I made a little model here so I can give you an idea of what I'm thinking before I start building it. I want to use the plastic sheeting and some waterproof tape to make hinges. I want this thing to collapse down flat so you can easily stack a bunch of them, move it around very easily, but also when you want to set it up, you can open it up and the sides will kind of pop out. On the inside of it, we're also going to put a piece that will fold down, and this is a rib to give it structure. All right, it's done. It's time to jump on a call with SW2 Priester, give him a demo. SW2 Priester, I've got this thing finished up.
Nice work there, Bob. Can you tell me how it works?
The challenge was to make something that was portable, it could give you shelter, and it was easy to set up, and this totally does that. These things are super lightweight, and they're made of inexpensive materials, but they're still waterproof. All the plastic is waterproof, all of the hinges are made out of waterproof tape, and since they're lightweight and can fold flat, you can actually stack them up. So essentially, you could house a whole bunch of people with an entire stack of these shelters.
Wow, Bob, that looks awesome. That's the type of thinking that us Seabees, we try to bring to the table.
So I heard you had a challenge for me. Can you fill me in there?
Both yourself and my team of Seabees received these mystery crates. So here's the mission. We have to provide emergency shelter. Inside the crate, there are materials that we have to use for the construction of our shelters. Bob, do you accept the mission?
Count me in.
All right, let's do it.
Looking pretty good. Watch more Sailor Versus to see me go head-to-head with the Seabees.